Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the group. All of us here are manifesting the things we want in our lives. Today, I'm going to talk about how to enjoy the moment. And you enjoy the moment through understanding that the work is the blessing, the gratitude, the visualization, the hunches, the work they got to do on the physical realm. It is the blessing. Because what would happen if you would get your results like this? Bam, here it is. Like, wow, that was it. So then you have and attained your goal. And that's it. It's about being and becoming. Not just achieving, being and achieving. Because then you're not growing. Being and becoming, you constantly grow and you get in line with the fucking universe. I like using this quote that I got from Wes Watson about the work. And he says this: the man who can take more pride in the steps it takes to obtain the result than the result itself can never be stopped. The work instills the worth. So it's the work that is constantly giving you that contentment, the worth, that worthiness, that contentment of you yourself feeling, yeah, I did this. So as you're working towards your goal, remember that that's the blessing. Because if your life was taken today, right now, and you received everything that you wanted, what the fuck is the point? I like what Bradley, he's another guy on social media who talks about this concept. He says, all right, I'll give you $10 million or what have you, whatever your goal is, right? But tomorrow you don't wake up. That's it. You're dead. Like, bro, what the hell is the point? We want life. Our being and becoming is the blessing. Okay, this is what I've learned now. Okay, something that I've learned today by really reflecting on it. So we're being and becoming. And that's how you can enjoy the present time. You can enjoy this second, this moment. And this journey that you're on, that you're constantly on, constantly becoming, being and becoming. Now, I'm going to leave you with another quote that I love sharing, but it rings true and it's important to understand in your journey to manifesting. And that is by Thomas Troward in the Dory Lectures. My mind is a center of divine operation. The divine operation is always for expansion and fuller expression. And this means the production of something beyond what has gone before, something entirely new, not included in the past experience. Consequently, since the divine cannot change its inherent nature, it must operate in the same manner within me. Okay. It's a little longer. I actually have it right here. It must operate in the same manner in me. Consequently, in my special world of which I am the center, it will move forward to produce new conditions always in advance of any that have gone before. What is this saying? I'm going to read it one more time. My mind is a center of divine operation. The divine operation is always for expansion and fuller expression. And this means the production of something beyond what has gone before. Something entirely new, not included in the past experience, though proceeding out of it through an orderly sequence of growth. Therefore, since the divine cannot change its inherent nature, it must operate in the same manner within me. Consequently, in my own special world, of which I am the center, It will move forward to produce new conditions, always in advance of any that have gone before. It is saying that the universe is always expanding and growing. You are the universe, okay? The universe is mind and you have a mind. Therefore, the expansion principle, the expansion inherent quality is in you. And if you want to produce something, it must do it because it is part of its inherent principle. Okay? Therefore, since the divine cannot change its inherent nature, it must operate in the same manner within me. Consequently, in my special world of which I am the center, it will move forward to produce new conditions always in advance of any that have gone before. Now, understanding this knowledge of manifesting, you can start visualizing right now, right after this. Relax, close your eyes, see yourself with the thing that you want now. And feel it. What are the feelings? What are the feelings that you would feel having already achieved that goal? What are those feelings? What do you feel? Feel that now. Okay? Asking is having the image. Knowing what you want is asking. Believing that it's done, believing that it's already created in the non-physical, you created it. It's in the non-physical, or the spiritual prototype is already there. Shout out Thomas Troward. Thomas Troward says the spiritual prototype, the non-physical image, the non-physical form. And then feel it. Feel the feelings of having received that goal now. Feeling is receiving, and the universe is a feeling universe. It does not speak English, Chinese. It is a vibratory language. That's why Thomas Troward says, assume the feelings of the wish fulfilled. Or a lot of masters say, be grateful for your goal that you have now visualized. Be grateful for it now. Because gratitude is a feeling as well. Gratitude is a feeling. And saying thank you for it now tells the universe you're feeling grateful and you have it. And so therefore you must manifest it onto the physical. I hope you like this one. And until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more resources, check below. They do help the channel, and I love you. Peace.